Hey there, this is Stacy with WTI. I want to talk to you today about scalp relief when you're experiencing symptoms of dandruff or psoriasis. I have been the past few years in the back of my head. I find that it's definitely stress induced, and so I need some relief because some days I just feel like my head in the back is just very aggravated and just needs some extra loving care. This one by Pharm to Table is a great product because it's a leave-in conditioner. It's all natural and made with mint and tea tree and coconut oil. However, it is not greasy at all. What I do is I spray a little bit in the morning on the back of my scalp. I part my hair in center and then just give it the extra loving care that it needs. I really love the product because not only does it smell good, but because it's considered a leave-in conditioner, it leaves my hair feeling really soft, but that mint and the tea tree is just the perfect amount to soothe my scalp. Definitely, I would recommend this one by Pharm to Table, and that's my point of view.